Grove Q3 FY26 results, strong user expansion and platform-led growth continue. Grove continued to strengthen its position as a leading digital investment platform during Q3 FY26, supported by consistent growth in its user base and higher activity levels across key products. The company benefited from increased retail participation and a gradual broadening of its customer demographic beyond first-time investors. Revenue growth during the quarter was supported by higher transaction volumes and deeper engagement across equities, mutual funds, and other investment offerings. Product-led improvements and a simplified user experience helped improve retention and usage frequency. Operationally, Grove focused on strengthening its technology infrastructure and compliance framework to support scale and regulatory requirements. Investments in platform stability, customer support, and risk management remained a priority during the quarter. Cost discipline and operating leverage continued to improve as the platform scaled, with efficiency gains from higher volumes helping offset investments in growth initiatives. The company maintained a balanced approach between expansion and financial sustainability. The broader fintech environment in Q3 FY26 saw increased competition and tighter regulatory oversight, making execution and trust critical differentiators. Grove's focus on transparency, education, and ease of use supported its competitive positioning. Key monitorables going ahead include user growth momentum, monetization efficiency, regulatory developments, and expansion into new financial products. Market conditions and retail investor sentiment will also influence near-term performance. Overall, Grove's Q3 FY26 performance reflects steady platform-led growth with improving operating metrics. The company remains positioned to benefit from India's long-term shift toward digital investing and rising financial participation.